Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be another organizational video. I was challenged by Home Decor, DIYs, and more with Tangi Webb to organize the area in my home. This is in my garage. Today I'm going to organize that small area there with the booths for my husband and I. I do work in the healthcare field, so I want to set up an area where I can take off my shoes before I enter my home and have access to masks and gloves when we leave out. I need to organize that shelf with my decor items there, but we'll do that in another video. The name of this challenge is COVID-19 Organizational Ideas. So without further ado, let's just jump on into this video. I did go to Dollar Tree real quick and pick up some other items that I needed to organize. So these are some things that I got from Dollar Tree that I'm going to be setting up on the shelf there. Just one or two containers that I felt like I needed to organize my things. And these are the things that I'm going to be putting in the little caddy. I have some Clorox, Lysol spray, hand sanitizer, some gloves. I also have some masks. So these are just the items that I'm showing you here that's going to be on that little shelf over there. Once again, I want to thank Tangi Webb with Home Decor, DIYs, and more for challenging me to set up this little station right here in my garage. I felt like I needed an area like this mainly for myself because, like I said, I do work in a hospital. When I come home, I need to have an area directly here where I can take off my shoes. If I need to spray myself down with the Lysol, like my shoes and stuff, or I needed some hand sanitizer. As you see, I do have some gloves and masks there for us to grab when we leaving out of the house, if we need those, like if we go to the store, because during this time everyone needs to keep safe. I also have a trash can in the corner. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube channel, and I want you guys to keep safe. And once again, thank you, Tangi, for challenging me to this awesome challenge, because I really needed an area in my garage. Bye, guys.